Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am just here to do a wig review, of course. So in the beginning clips, you all seen me actually style this wig. Normally what I do when I get like curly wigs and things like that, I will like use like my spray bottle. And in the spray bottle, I have a new formula, but the old formula was water and conditioner, okay? So normally I will really go in there and like wet the whole thing up and then like put a lot of product in it. But this time I really didn't do that. The only thing I did was just put a little bit of water on this hair and I combed it out, and this is what I got, like this big hair. And I really like this. I don't know, a lot of people like the big curly look, and I think it just resembles natural hair so much, and it's just so pretty. It's super full. This hair is extremely full. I will have the links and the specs down below, but this is really full. But I want to keep it, I wanted to keep it as close to its natural curl pattern as possible, and that's what I did. And in the front, all I did was just take like my little curling iron and I just went over and kind of flattened it in the front so that, you know, so it could look like a little bit more like mine, like scalp. And also I just laid a few sparse baby hairs, and as you all did see, I did pluck the unit a little bit because the hairline was pretty straight across. Okay, so it like they kind of pre-plucked it just a tad, but for the most part, like in the front, they kind of pre-plucked it a little bit, but like as for on the sides, it was like kind of straight across. But it didn't take much time for me to just go in with my tweezers and just kind of pull out some of those hairs to just kind of just take away from that straight across wiggy look. Okay, didn't take a long time or anything like that, but that you are gonna kind of have to do that if you want a more natural scalp like look. I didn't bleach my knots. You all know that I'm not a big fan of bleaching knots, so I did add makeup on my knots, and I just take any old foundation that I don't use anymore and some powder, or I will take the leg spray. I use either or sometimes I'll even mix them. Okay, so that is what I did for my lace. All right, so the cap size that I got was a large. The last time I reviewed with this company, I had a medium cap, and the medium cap didn't really fit my head that well. And I'm knowing now that these wigs run pretty small, okay? Because sometimes I'll get wigs from other companies and the large cap is like extra large, but with this company, their large cap fits perfect. Okay, so if your head is a little bigger or you have a lot of hair like I do, you may want to lean to more towards like a large cap size, because the medium just was a little too small for me in the last wig that I received. But this large cap is perfect. Okay, like perfect. And like I said, the wig caps run a little small with this company. But anyways, this hair is bomb, and it was so quick and easy to get this look. I only, as you all seen in the clips, I only tacked down the sides of my wig. That is it. As far as the whole front, it is not tacked down. I do have on a wig grip, and I did utilize the combs that came in the unit. The unit did come with combs all around the unit. And also, this is a 360 wig. I never wear like my hair up. I think 360s are more so for people who like to wear those up buns, like all the way up in the top of their head. I never utilize 360 wigs, but if you're the type of person who utilizes them and you like to like tack the back of it down, this wig is perfect for you. I just never do. I never wear my hair up like that. So I just normally like secure the comb in the back and go on about my day, okay? So I did utilize that comb, and also the combs that it's a comb on each side, and also a comb here. I use those. I never use those. Normally I like cut them out, but I was like, okay, let me use them. So when I put on my wig grip, I stuck those combs inside my wig grip, and it actually gave me such a good firm hold. My sides were kind of flapping a bit, and I didn't like that. So I just literally went in with a little, I can't find my Got2b glue right now. Oh, here it is. I went in with a little bit of Got2b on each in, just so those sides wouldn't like flap all over the place. So I went in with that, and that is it. As far as laying the top, I just didn't do it. I wanted something, you know, quick, something easy, and also, you know, when I get ready to take it off, it's no hassle. And I can take this off at any time, you know, at the end of the day, because the whole thing isn't tacked down. Not that got to be glue is such a hassle, but if I just want to throw this on really quick, I can just throw it on, you know what I'm saying? And just tack my sides down. And even if I didn't want to tack my sides down, I could just put those, secure those combs really well, and I'll be good to go. So I really like this wig. Do I feel like this wig is beginner friendly? I would say yes and no, because of the hairline. The hairline isn't bad. So if you feel like you can go in and kind of, you know, pluck to your liking, then yeah, I totally believe that this is beginner friendly. Actually, you know, I like that they incorporate the combs, which every company incorporates combs, but this is my first time actually using them. And if you would like a glueless unit, I think that it is a really good idea. If you already have like a wig grip or something, and you go in and secure those combs with your wig grip, you will have a pretty secure hold. As far as going on, like, you know, jumping out of an airplane, you know, sticking your head out the window while you're going like 60 miles an hour. Now, I'm not saying your wig is going to hold through all of that, but just like a normal office type, grocery store type, running to the store type of day, of course, all you have to do is just put it on. And I like that about the wig. All you have to do is put it on, and the fit is nice. The lace is pretty nice. I didn't have any problem with like rips in the lace. As far as shedding goes, this is kinky hair, like curly hair, all right, deep curly hair. So you are going to experience some shedding, and you are going to experience some tangling, because curly and wavy type textures, they tend to like intertwine and coil together. So that's what causes the tangling and some shedding, which our natural hair does that too. As far as maintenance for this hair, the maintenance is going to be it's going to be a little bit high, because if you do want to manipulate your curls and you want to define your curls, you are going to have to add product in hair, add some water, and also go in with like some mousse or some kind of eco styling gel to keep that curl all day. Okay, so just like if I laid down right now and I woke up, my hair would probably be flat. So once I got up, I would have to manipulate it. All right, so anyways guys, that is the specs of the hair. Right now I'm loving it. I love me some big hair, child. I don't know about y'all, but I like big hair, and a lot of people like big hair. A lot of people like big hair. So let me know what y'all think about this style. Do you feel like this video was quick, easy? You know, do you feel like you could do it? I try to do all my videos to where they are beginner friendly and they are pretty easy, because I'm still learning just as well as you all are learning, and I just try to make it as easy and effective as I can. So anyways guys, let me cut this short. I don't want to ramble. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Also, links will be down below for this hair and this hair company if you will want to check this wig out. Yeah, links will be down below, and I'll see y'all in my next one.